Yeah, nation people. The world was go look a bit so with all the visual. Oh shit, nation people, man. Crazy, 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 crazy. Right now, the way the world boss attack the rhythm with the change of flow, I live in Dundee, nation people. But watch this. Make we step first now. At the world, it's not a plan. But you are going nation people. A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. Oh no, know it go already. When I come for represent, full effective man. Oh no, know it go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about here. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, nation people. It can't get no better than this. It always dynamic. You know what I mean? And fantastic when the world boss execute like that. I said the boy got change of gear and the change of flow them in the song. Yo, I don't know if none of you ride no bike or on a drive no stick shift. You don't know when you have the vehicle underneath a high rev and kick clutch and kick in gear, you not even feel it nor hear it. So the man a change flow effortlessly in the song. And the visual nation people, oh shit, we can't stop watch it. That's what I say. That's why I make you know it's fantastic and dynamic. Because the girl them, oh fuck man. What a scene, man. Eh? What a scene. I joke thing, nation people. A crazy scene. May I tell you about. We love it. We love it. The world boss execute properly. You see what I say? Yeah, the world boss set up the song. You know what I mean? Yo, you see the way the man set up the song for the change of flow them? You see when the man change the flow and oh shit. Come like an explosion thing. Hey, world boss, yeah, a real tactician, man. The man know how to deliver music to a certain level where, yo, it does remarkable. It's remarkable, my brother. You see what I say? So nation people, we don't have to tell you say. You make certain you go over Vybz Kartel Vivo or Vybz Kartel Radio and make certain you go run up the views on that song there. Left a nice comment in the comment section. Make world boss know so you love the dynamic of the song. Because you know what you are going, you know. Nobody can drop them shit there. Like, oh, you see the world boss execute it. When you listen to the song, how much different flow you get in the song. When you listen to the high tempo, or you listen to the easy tempo. Eh? When you listen to the transition in the different flow, blood clot, you better know what the master of sermon you not deal with. You hear that? I don't know, gimmicks thing. No give lollipop thing not there about it. You see what I say? I saw. The man execute. That's what I deal with. And that's why him thing take off. And that's why the world class. You hear that? No joke shit not there about it. They don't know how we represent already. A real way nation people. No form of lollipop way. No day night. Yeah, man. We're not talking about little bit some blood clot, you know, man. Bad piece of song. Bad video. That's what I say? Yes. The girl them have them work cut out now this summer. Them can go long body. Them have necessary equipment that them can jump and go on bad. No joke shit not there about it. Them have things for real up and spread out pan you now. You see it? And no joke shit. Yeah, man. Real what I represent. And right about now, you see, some people where I run up their mouth, when I go and chat up with them out. You hear me? Go and run in them out. When I soon get the news from Privy Council. You hear that? You hear me I tell you now? And big up Gaza Nation. On yourself on the 4th of July. All of you know where they in America. You hear that? You see where it's like a full moon. The world boss will be coming home very soon. And I don't even a gimmicks business. No lollipop thing that they in a hit nation people. You see what I say? So make them go and chat. I make me tell you this jockstrap sniffers. It's when I want to go on a channel and chat about man not talk about alkaline because them are same flop and I him keep one of the biggest show. A man for rate him for that and instead of man rate him for that, man I talk about what I do and I say. Let me tell you something, jockstrap sniffers. None of honor on the internet tell 10 star what to say. Nah, what to do. Remember, you know, I try to be like none of you know, my brother. A 2 man alone on the internet walk the street, you know, and a 10 star and pelpa time, you know. And pelpa walk the street and have discussion with the people them in the street. 10 star walk the street and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Wanna talk about jockstrap sniffers? Which one of you can tell 10 star what for blood clot though? Eh? Wanna think? When you think of gimmicks thing down there, so I think no boy cannot give my artist no bumbo clot credit no ratings for no at all and 10 star I go a run behind him but him a big up and me no jockstrap sniffer. Eh? No clown. What wrong with Uno? Eh? Let me tell you something, boy. Uno never watch Mary. Uno never see when the man bring the letter come give Mary for him read out. Him never tell you no. Say a Gaza or the blood clot birth of all of Uno young artists in a bumbo clot Gaza. In a dance hall. Eh? Mary never say that. When the man read out the letter, the man say Gaza is the birth of all of these young artists in a dance hall. What not talk about? You not go like a lie. We own on a clown. I want me to tell you, Gaza print on a helmet. I want me to know the logo sign and stamp there on a helmet. So I don't know what not talk about. Let me get a front on a Bob Marley, you hear me? What not talk about, boy? Gaza, no. Come to man with a gimmicks thing and lollipop thing. My front, respect. Eh? Who do you think we not talk to? Eh? Don't get this twisted. Don't try size up on yourself with man. When the fuck do you? You hear me I say? What not dealing? No, go back, go watch Mary. When the man cut on over the bumbo clot DNA letter to him and him read it out. Go back, go watch Mary, boy. Gaza is the father. We own on a boy.
This was terrible.
That's what I say? Yeah. No joke shit not about it. One tone. It print on the helmet. The blood clot Gaza logo. You hear that? We have to call Gaza daddy boy in a dance hall. You hear that? I want me to you. Just like how the girl them call me daddy when me a spank it. She said some boy have zero, not even some boy. She said the jockstrap sniffer them have zero strength, but I am fit. Them vamp it and yamp it. When me give her titanium cocky #1, she rank it. When me spread the foot on the bed like blanket and sink it like Columbus bomb ship. When she a come, she chuck her like a bike. One time I crank it and she bend down and tank it. The bomber ass clock do know. What? Nation paper. Go over Vybz Cartel Vivo. I see that thing there? Eh? Where you say? Look a bit so. Go run up the views span it. No gimmicks thing. Song bad, rhythm bad, flow bad, video bad, everything bad. Right now it has smell up the atmosphere, Gaza Nation. But this is what I say, no lollipop thing that they ever want it. And when you hear some boy a chat, they ever follow what them a chat. You can go take a sneak preview on iTunes and you will see where the bumbo clock me I talk about. A 10-star, you know, the general, you know, I represent. Watch. I and I run go another place, I go get a iced coffee. Them love play a bag of music in there. And you don't know them type of music there. I go get my video flag. Watch.